Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide following list on TikTok. So if you want to hide your following list on TikTok, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and after tapping on your profile icon tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, under accounts you can find privacy option, just tap on that, and after tapping on privacy now you have to scroll a bit down, and after scrolling you can find followers list. You just have to tap on followers list, and now if your followers list is on everyone, you have to change it to only me, and after changing it to only me your followers will be hidden from others. So this is how to hide followers list on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.